Imagine you're working on a coding project, and you encounter a problem. In this particular scenario, you have a constant declared in one case of your switch statement, and when you try to compile the program in Visual Studio, it throws an error stating that the initialization of the constant is being skipped. This presents a perplexing situation that needs clarification. Moving on to the solution, the initialization of a static constant cannot be skipped by a case label, especially when it's constant initialized as in the provided function. According to C++ 14 standards, constant initialization of a block scope entity with static storage duration is performed before the block is first entered. To illustrate this point, a similar valid function is shown where the constant is initialized before being used, ensuring its proper initialization before any subsequent operations. It's essential to note that although this approach is valid, it's not considered a best practice in coding. In summary, even though the Visual Studio bug may cause confusion, the function is indeed valid and will initialize the constant when the block is first entered. Remember, following best practices in coding can help prevent such issues and streamline your development process. With that said, it's time to wrap up the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any coding conundrums you've encountered. Happy coding!